Okay, so now we're going to learn the chords that is in Goodness of God. And as I said before, you have a lot of repeats. So we have our G major. Now we have G sus4. So you're going to keep this finger here and you're going to add finger 1 in the first fret, but on the second string. So like this right here. It's got a very cool sound. And you kind of want to just practice that. You got G major, G sus4, G sus, G major, G sus4. And then we have our C major, which we had in How Great Thou Art. So just to review, you got first fret, second string, fourth string on the second fret. There's your C major. Then we have our D major. We went over that in How Great Thou Art. And now this song has E minor in it. It's very simple. It's in the second fret. And we want to use our middle finger, finger 2 on the fourth string on Daniel there. Daniel gets bigger every day on that D string. And there's our E minor. So let's just briefly go through those chords one time. So we have our G major, G sus, C major, and you can see from G sus to C major, this finger 1 stays in the same place. That's nice when the chords are back to back. So there's our C major, and then we have our D major, and then our new E minor in the second fret on the D string. Just one finger down. Okay. So now let's take a look at our chart here, and there's a few things. I'm kind of upping what you're going to do for this song. So I'm going to show you on the chart, the beginning here in the intro, we've got the G to the G sus. And if you notice, there's a G, the G sus, and then there's a bar, and then there's G. So this first section here represents 4 beats. So you're going to do 3 beats of the G major, 1 beat of the G sus4, and then 4 beats on the G. And then I have a repeat. And I'm just going to talk you through how we're going to do that. So let's do that. Let's get our G major chord. And I'm going to show you once. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now on the repeat, it's almost exactly the same, except the last G, we're just going to let it ring out. So we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So all that together. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3. I love you, Lord. Okay, so now on the verse, as you can see on the side, I tell you to hold each chord. So you strum it once and let it just ring out. So I'm going to go through that with you. That one's pretty self-explanatory, so we'll go through that. 1, 2, 3. I love you, Lord, for your mercy never fails me, and all my days I've been held in your hands. From the moment that I wake up till I lay my head, I will sing of the goodness of God. So besides the fact that there's a few times that the chords move pretty fast, that's pretty simple. Okay, so now in the chorus, this next part, you see I've got the 4 quarter notes over here, and this is our strum pattern with the arrows. They're all down, so we're literally going to be strumming 1, 2, 3, 4 as we go through this. Now, there are some times when, so I say you do 4 beats on each chord unless I mark something else. So for here, you do 2 beats of this chord and 2 beats of that chord. I know you're musical, you'll figure out by the sound, how it's moving, but I was trying to simplify that for you. So let's go through the chorus, starting with our C major. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so then on your verse 2, you do the same thing that you did as verse 1, except you just do the 4 beats. Okay, I'm gonna stop at that point just to give you a different video.